next one, it's sharing a whiteboard, as I show you before. And this is the particular question: how do I share a whiteboard? Can other participants also write on it? Can I have more than one page? Can I have multiple whiteboard in a meeting? So yeah, basically the answer is yes. You can share the whiteboard. I will share the whiteboard right now. So this is the whiteboard. And how do you add more? For example, you already occupy all of this screen. For example, if you are a math teacher, you write down the formula or the solution of the question, and then you already, I think some participants also can join to make some annotation here. And how you add some pages, new pages. So let me see. If you see in the bottom corner here, you can see this plus symbol, and you can add. This is the second page. You can write this is second page, and then I will add again third page, and so on. So yeah, you can do this, and you can back to the previous screen. And yeah, maybe we can do this. Let's say we want to make a mind map, for example. Let's do the mind map. Zoom in, and you want all of the students do the annotation together, so you can invite them, and then you can draw something. You can draw with pencil. You can make a mind map, something like that. And yeah, this whiteboard features, they have more advanced feature if you using the mobile devices or devices that support for taking note in the screen. For example, the iPad with Apple Pencil, or another laptop that can have support with touch screen. It's also possible. How to invite students? Yeah, as you already know, to invite them here. Normally, if you look at your controls for the Zoom menu, in more session, in more option, you can see disable participation annotation, and you can show, for example, try to write down something in this board. There is this question: is the whiteboard available in the first version? Yes. The whiteboard also available in the free version, and you can add pages, as many pages as you want. So for example, if I activate this function, show names of annotators, and if students annotate something in the board, you can see directly their names there. There is Zikri, there is Mr. Akif. Okay. You can do the stamp, for example. You can do the spotlight if you want to explain something using the cursor spotlight. Yeah, you can use the stamp. You can clear all of the drawings, only your drawings or the viewer's drawings. For example, I clear the viewer's drawing, and they are gone. And yeah, you can do this as the collaboration type of work while you're doing the online learning, for example. Or you want to check the students' understanding for some particular learning objective, and you want to make them to write down their ideas in the whiteboard. But I think you can also use, if you have Promethean board in your school, and you download and install the Promethean application in your PC, you can share their screen, and then if you have support touchscreen devices, you can also do use that. But this is including in the Zoom app, so this is very good for us for teacher in order to collaborate with students using the annotation or the whiteboard with the annotation. So if I turn off the participants annotation feature, right now you cannot do the annotation. Let's uncheck. If the students keep on drawing, how to stop that, sir? Yeah. Right now, try to write down something in the board. Can you do that? No, right? Because I don't allow participants to annotate. There are options there. Yeah. And now if I allow, you can use the annotation. This is your working area, and yeah, you can do it as traditional as you always do in classroom, for example. But how about if you don't have, for example, touching devices support? You may need some second, for example, second application in your mobile phone, for example. For example, you host the online learning through Zoom using your laptops, and then you want to make some annotation or some drawing, or even make a solution for mathematical task, for example. You can record, or you can use your second devices and then turn in the camera, and yeah, you can share the screen from your mobile devices while your camera is turned on, and every participant or every student can see how you do the solution for your question, for example. But yeah, that's a little bit more advanced. Okay, so I think this is enough for the annotation, and you can make as many pages as you need, and you can review the pages that they already have. Okay, so I will back to the slide. So yeah, I believe you already did this one to make the annotation in Zoom using the whiteboard.